In this class, let us learn transformers. A device used to change an AC voltage from one value to another value, from high voltage to low voltage or from low voltage to high voltage. Principle of working is mutual induction. A varying current in one coil induces an EMF in the neighboring coil. Let us see the construction. It consists of two sets of coils, primary and secondary, wound on a soft iron core. Both are insulated from each other. The primary coil is called input coil with the NP turns. The secondary coil is called output coil with the NS turns. So primary coil and secondary coil wound on a soft iron core. The laminated core is used to reduce eddy current. There are two types of transformers, step-up transformer and step-down transformer. In the case of step-up transformer, number of turns in the secondary is greater than that in the primary, NS greater than NP. In the case of step-down transformer, number of turns in the primary is greater, that is NP greater than NS. When an AC voltage is applied to the primary, it produces a varying magnetic flux in primary as well as in secondary coil. A varying magnetic flux in secondary induces an EMF in it. Induced EMF in the secondary is given by Ns into d phi by dt, where Ns is the number of turns in the secondary and d phi by dt is the rate of change of magnetic flux. EMF induced in the primary, it is also called back EMF, is given by Np into d phi by dt, where Np is the number of turns in the primary coil. We assume that the primary coil has no resistance. So the induced EMF in the primary is equal to potential difference across the ends of the coil. And the secondary is open, so induced EMF in the secondary is equal to the potential difference across the ends of the secondary coil. So we can write Vs by Vp is equal to Es by Ep. But Es by Ep is equal to Ns by Np. So the induced EMF is directly proportional to the number of turns. And for an ideal transformer, efficiency is 100%. That is, input power is equal to output power. Power is the product of voltage and current. So the input power is Vp Ip is equal to output power Vs Is. From this equation, Ip by Is is equal to Vs by Vp. But Vs by Vp is Ns by Np. For a step-up transformer, number of turns in the secondary is greater, Ns greater than Np. Therefore, voltage across the secondary is greater than that in the primary. But the current in the secondary will be less than that in the primary. For a step-down transformer, number of turns in the primary is greater than that in the secondary, Ns less than Np. Therefore, voltage across the secondary is less than that in the primary and the current in the secondary is greater than that in the primary. This is true with an ideal transformer. So it is based on the assumptions that the primary coil has zero resistance or negligible resistance. The second one is flux linked with the primary is equal to flux linked with the secondary, so that there is no flux leakage. The third one is the efficiency is 100%, so that the input power is equal to output power. And fourth one is the secondary current is very small. But in actual transformers, there are some energy losses. There is flux leakage. The flux linked with the secondary will be less than that linked with the primary. There will be some resistance, so that there is some energy loss. It is known as I squared R loss. Since soft iron is used as the core, eddy currents are induced in the core, so there will be some energy loss. It is known as eddy current loss. Since soft iron is a ferromagnet, it undergoes magnetization and demagnetization continuously. So there is some energy loss. It is called hysteresis loss. Thank you.